Hello, welcome, thanks for joining me. This time we're looking at using an Evo test meter as a zero probe for the Z-axis of a CNC router. It's important to know when the tool is exactly at the surface of a job. And so knowing the Z-axis position of the router bit is essential for accurate carving. The Evo has two leads, a red and a black. In this instance we set the Evo to continuity, which is this little sign here, and the pointer of the dial to the lowest of these numbers. That red lead is then connected to the V bit by a crocodile clip. Can you see that? So that's part of our circuit. The other line from the meter is the black line, which is attached to a thin feeler gauge. The thinner the better. Now when we jog the Z-axis of the router, when we jog it down, the circuit will be completed as soon as the router bit touches the feeler gauge. The circuit is made, so we have continuity, and we can see on the Evo that all the zeros are showing. If I was to move the feeler gauge, it'll break the circuit and we'll see it change. There we go. So that's breaking it. And making it. So if you understand that when the Z-axis is jogged down to touch the feeler gauge, we then established that that V bit or any other bit is the thickness of the feeler gauge away from the top of the material, and that's why I say the thinner the feeler gauge the better. And we can set the zero in your CNC software, so at the point when we've jogged the Z-axis down to the job, using this method, we know exactly where the 0 point is on the Z-axis. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.